quite convenient because the bees do the sampling for us. They only forage a few kilometers from their hive.
Turns out those excursions are helping scientists pinpoint sources of environmental pollution.
And when they go out and forage, not only do they collect pollen and nectar, they're also collecting air particulates, soil particulates, they're drinking water. They bring all of that back to the hive.
Those busy bees then take all those elements to produce honey, and researchers are finding that minuscule levels of lead, zinc, copper, and other particulate matter depending on where they've been buzzing. The honey from urban beehives in 6 Metro Vancouver neighborhoods was recently analyzed, and concentrations were higher in areas with heavy traffic.
So downtown, the honey we collected had relatively elevated amounts of things like zinc, titanium, copper, lead, elements that, when elevated relative to more rural honey, are associated with human activity.
In areas like Delta, the honey had more traces of manganese and other elements associated with agricultural activity and pesticide use. Scientists now have 4 years' worth of data to work with.
And so as policy changes, as environmental regulation changes, and as land use changes, and while the city grows, we have that baseline data set to always compare future data to.
Researchers say it's also an easy way to monitor the environment and the pollutants around us. Andrea Macpherson, City News.